All right, again, we're just doing one con a day during this unit. Each con comes with its own challenges, and I will again remind you that you definitely want to come and probably see me for the help during office hours or during that part in class where we have to work on this. So as soon as we get through this one, I think the cons will get a little bit easier after this unit's over. So fortunately for you, it's a short unit, but it is a difficult one. So moving forward here. Now I need to do something quick. All right, give me a moment. There we go. All right. On this one, what you're simply doing is you're taking this word problem and you have to choose the thing. So the formula for the density of bacteria is known as your N over A, where N is the number of bacteria and A represents the area size. Okay. So I can't pronounce these people. Gong, I don't know what that is. Some G-Man and Orion are doing an experiment in school for which they need to measure the density of the bacteria population for a certain solution, which has been introduced. G-Man reports a density of 4,500 bacteria per square centimeter, and Orion reports a density of 50 bacteria per square millimeter. So the biggest thing here is this one is per millimeter and this one is per centimeter. Okay, so if it's 50 per square millimeter, well, there's a lot of millimeters that fit into a square centimeter. In fact, since millimeters, there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter, and there's, to make a square, you need both the base and the height. It would actually be 10 times that. So we would take this 50, we would multiply it by the 10 squared because it's a square centimeter. So it's times 10 to get from millimeter to centimeter, but it's times 10 twice because of the base and the height. And 10 squared would be 100. 100 times 50 is 5,000. Well, at that point, 5,000 square centimeters as compared to 4,500 square centimeters, that means that Orion has the higher density. Okay. Second example we'll do is this one. The formula for calculating P, the wage P, which is P is the amount of money over T time. Astrid is looking at a job at a call center. The call center offers $15 per hour. And then he looks at another call center B, which offers 25 cents per minute, which has a higher wage. So we take 25 cents per minute, and if we figure out there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, we simply have to take that 25 cents times 60 to figure out that this one has a wage of $15 per hour. So it turns out both of them have $15 per hour, so they offer the same wage. And then finally, one more example. Okay, the formula for the volume of a pyramid is area times height divided by 3. So the area of a square times the height divided by 3 is how you find the formula. The base of the Great Pyramid of Giza is 53,000 square meters, and the height is 150 meters. Well, the nice part is this one's in meters already, this one's in meters already, and we're asking for the calculations to estimate the volume in cubic meters. So we're not converting the meters this time, it makes it kind of nice and easy. So we simply take the 53,000 times the 150. Meters squared times meters would be meters cubed. So this would give us the meters cubed, divide by 3, be our answer. And this one right here, this little formula, you'll happen to see is right there, letter D. So it's basically just kind of using your head, working your way through them. And of course, I'm always available to help you. Guys, have a great day, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.